Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I have a couple project shares and a VR for Maryjane at Maryjane's Reviews. She is having a birthday challenge and she is asking for crafter's choice. I'll link the video down below. I can't remember exactly when everything is due. I think not until next month, until March. But I'll share with you what I'm going to be sending off for her. But I wanted to share with you first some cards that I made. I'm not going to share every single card with you, but just a few little cards. I get Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! Every month. And last year, January 2021, these were the cards that you could make. And then here's the stamps, and I just love this little snail stamp. It goes well with the paper from last year for Valentine's, which was really cute, and also this love stamp I used to make some of these cards. And then this Kisses and Hugs, this kit was for sorry about the glare, January 2022. So you can see that it's a trifold card. It's 3 hearts, one in kind of a pinkish color, and then this one kind of like in a cream color. Well, I just thought it was too much bulk and not enough for the actual card, so I ended up cutting all of them apart to have 3 hearts. Okay, and that's what I used to make a majority of these cards. I made 18 cards. I used majority of the items from the kit, but then some other just pieces of ephemera that I had. So this is the color of the envelope. It's kind of a salmon color. And so you got 10 of these. And then, so I cut the hearts all apart and I offset them on just regular size A2 card bases. And then I just cut off whatever didn't fit on the card after I put the background. And then this XO stamp came with this Hugs and Kisses January 2022 kit. So that's great. And then so did this, this was the heart, this piece of ephemera, this white heart came with it. And this black heart I had just had in my stash. And then this as well. Stampin' Up! Ribbon right here. Used my own little gemmy. There's that love stamp I was talking to you about. Everything that you see on here except for this little gemmy right here, or flat back right there, is Stampin' Up! Oh, that's not either. That I Love You comes from, I think, Maggie Holmes or Pink Paisley or something. And then these little gemmies, if you can see those up there as well. And then you can see that the envelopes were really nice. The XO in like gold. So none of this came in the kit. This was all just these 2 playing card pieces of ephemera. I just, fussy cut those out and added this bow and then added this sticker down here. This XOXO was actually on one of the hearts and I just cut it out. And then this little piece, this square right here, also came out of the kit. So everything you see right here except for this not the card bases, but then this pink paper also came out of my stash. But everything else came out of the kit. This is another one that didn't come in the kit, just the striped heart in the back and this. And then Love You Friend, actually that stamp came out of the kit as well. So I just thought I'd add some pink and some red in there. And then this one with the black and white. So, all right. And then, so that's all I'll share with this group that I made of cards. I used the 8 envelopes with the red, just plain red card, and the white envelope. They were $2.99 at Hobby Lobby on sale for 40%. And so I bought a pack of them and I thought, okay, I'm just going to make them all at one time. And I love black and white and red. So I have just had some pieces of ephemera and I just, put on this black base on the red. And again, I just used a black base, this XO, and this vellum heart back here. That's from the kit as well. And I have these foam pieces, the foam sentiments in my stash. This is a piece that I've had in my stash for a while now, and I just thought I have got to use that or gift it or put it in a journal or something, and I just inked around it and then just added some there. And again, I just love black and white and red, so and then I used one of those hearts there. So nice and simple, just keeping it simple. Okay, so I made lots of cards. That's the first thing. And then the second thing, Maryjane is having her birthday challenge, and it's crafter's choice, like I said. And so I thought, okay, well, I'm going to make some type of a journal, right? And so LiveLoveScrap had this hidden hinge type of envelope, kind of of journal on her channel and did a tutorial for. Really easy, and you can see the hinges. Basically, you make them, but then you cut the bottom of the envelope, and then you put the envelope on the hinges so you don't see them. So, and it's just 4 A2 envelopes, and I used this hot buy paper, this Deep Blossoms, which Kaylee and Jake had given to me last year sometime. So I just made the cover first, and then I just used some of the paper and then the cut aparts just to layer this right here. And then you know, you could do whatever you want in here, put an initial or put a sentiment or something. I'll show you the one that I'm sending to Maryjane in just a minute. And then here's a belly band right here that you can put something in. So this is an extra one that I made. I cut out envelopes and a cover to make 2 more of these for some Happy Mail that I'm going to be sending out. So here is the one that I'm sending to Maryjane. So I put, this is some cut aparts from the from this pad, and I added some lace right here, and you can see it's kind of thick. So I've already put some goodies in all of the envelopes. So when you open it up, it says warm and cozy, and then I'm going to be putting her initials someplace right here. And then on each of the pages, I put a little pinwheel. So you can see that there's a pinwheel with a jemmy with some ribbon on each one. And you guys know how easy pinwheels are to make, right? And in the back, in the belly band, I put this snowflake right there, and then that little favorite right there. So I'm not going to show what I put in each of the envelopes. That'll be a surprise for Maryjane, but each of the envelopes is filled a little bit too thick, but that's okay. I'm going to put a nice piece of ribbon around it and then mail that off for Maryjane. Like I said, I will put the link to her birthday challenge below, so you have plenty of time to go over and see what the rules are and join her birthday challenge. And I will also put the link to LiveLoveScrap. She calls these large envelope embellishment book with a hidden hinge, and I'll put the link to that video in the description box below as well, in case you want to make 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. They're so easy to make and so fun. And like I said, you can put just simple flat stuff in here to send off to a friend and just mail it like that. Thanks for stopping by, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.